Hello everyone, so we are now recording another travel vlog, dashcam video, street view of Khobar city. We are heading from Al Rashid Mall towards Khobar Cornish area. So Khobar Cornish is one of the most important point to visit when you are in this city. In this spot you have two direction. Cornish is really stretched in few kilometers, so we are heading on the left side. There is a newly established spot called Ajdan Walk. Here you may find high-end fast food chains. are just trying to find some parking area here, and just hovering around. It's a huge development, and on both sides you have a lot of food chains and fast food. You can still find a steakhouse over here. Normally it's ideal to come here just before the sunset in summer, so that you have views plus nice weather. But if you don't, then you end up visiting here during the night time, which is this time 9 to 10. Temperature in the summer in July now we can see is 35 degrees on my car, which is a good bearable temperature here in summer, especially for outdoor activities and in the parks. You can see in the background, I love Saudi Arabia. Nice station. So that's one of the important sign you will see in the background, the green light tower. This is really the icon about this Khobar Cornish, the landmark. Probably it's a water tank, but whenever you come here, that's the sign that can verify that you are really in Al Khobar Cornish area. Of course, it's a lush green and well established and developed area by the government. Again, it's good to come before the sunset with the views and nice weather, but because of the hot weather in July, you may need to visit later in the night, like 9 or 10. So we are trying to close this video here, and we'll see you in another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.